If you enjoy watching our videos, do not forget to subscribe and tap on the bell notification icon to receive notifications for all our new videos. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Ultimate Reviewer. Today we're going to talk about WhatsApp and the new feature that WhatsApp has recently pushed. A couple of my friends have got back to me saying they are unable to see the feature after they updated. So what's happening is it also happened with me. What's happening is after you update it for the first time, you're unable to see it. So what you have to do is go back to the App Store once again and you'll still see an update option. Update that once again and then go back to your WhatsApp settings and you will definitely see this feature. So all you have to do is open the App Store, type in WhatsApp and you'll see this update button. Tap on that and it might be around 90 MB update just for the iOS devices for now. Now what is this feature? So WhatsApp now helps you unlock your app using your Face ID or your Touch ID. So keeping a lot of issues that people are seeing around with respect to data and the data leakage that is happening throughout the world, WhatsApp has come up with a simple yet superb update. So you can use your fingerprint scanner or your Face ID to unlock this app now. So for you to use the Face ID, you must have an iPhone 10 or above. And if you want to use the fingerprint scanner to unlock WhatsApp, you should have an iPhone 5s and above. So I have an iPhone 7 and let me show you how this actually works. So if I go back and open my WhatsApp, there you go. I've enabled Touch ID because this is an iPhone 7 and I do not have the feature of Face ID unlock for my iPhone 7. So I've enabled the Touch ID. It's going to be difficult for your friends or any random people to just pick up your phone and get into your WhatsApp and read texts which they aren't supposed to. So it says Touch ID for WhatsApp. Touch ID is required to use WhatsApp. So I go ahead and give my fingerprint. Boom. So my app is already in the settings screen. So all you have to do is the third option that you see, account, with a blue icon, blue key icon. Just tap on that. The first option is privacy. Tap on privacy. Scroll down and you'll see screen lock. Just tap on screen lock and the first option is require Touch ID. So just enable this option, and if you have an iPhone 10 and above, you'll also have the option to use your Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. So once you enable it, it'll give you a few options, and that is if you want to immediately, so example, if you're quitting the app and you get back to the app again, it'll immediately ask you for the Touch ID or your Face ID again. Or you also have options to set a 1 minute or 15 minutes or a 1 hour option. So that's about the WhatsApp Face ID unlock and fingerprint unlock. This was the update that I wanted to share about WhatsApp with you, and that one small glitch which a couple of people are facing. So yeah, thumbs up to WhatsApp from my side. It's a brilliant move. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved the video. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. This is your Ultimate Reviewer signing off. Bye bye.